If you're interested in seeing how I created my whimsical Christmas floral arrangement, just keep on watching. Hi everyone, this is Forlisa. Welcome to Homebody. So in this video, I am taking part in a collaboration that's hosted by Catherine over at Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am going to be doing a DIY in this video. But before I start, if you have not stopped by Catherine's channel, her link to her channel is below, as well as a playlist to all the other participants in this collab. So the supplies that I'm going to be using are 4 flocked picks. All the supplies came from Hobby Lobby. I think this pick was normally like $20, and I think I got it like 40 or 50% off. I have a foam that came from Dollar Tree, and I have some more picks that came from Hobby Lobby. I think these were regular 10. I got them for 40 or 50% off. I also have some more items that I shot my home that I'm also going to be using in the DIY. So what I'm going to be doing is taking my picks, sticking them in that foam. I'm going to be using a vase that I already have at home for this project. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my pick and stick it inside of the foam. I'm using 2 foams just so I can have a little stability with my arrangement. I am going to end up getting something to place around the foam to keep it from moving. But I'm just going to go ahead and insert all my picks. Then I'm just going to fluff out the picks just a little bit, just to see how, just to get a little feel on how the picks are able to fluff out. There is a lot of fallout on these flocked up. So next I'm just going to get some old paper and stuff it around the foam block just to keep my floral arrangement steady. Then I'm just going to start sticking my white floral picks in the middle of the foam. So now I'm going to get one of those Dollar Tree rags and place it around the base of my floral arrangement, kind of like a Christmas tree skirt. So now the next items are some items that I shot my home for, and I'm just going to insert these also in the arrangement. So I think this is turning out super, super cute. I like the way it's giving me the whimsical look, and I just like the way it looked. Now I did realize I still have my price tags on the picks. I am going to take my tags off. Now you guys, I lost quite a bit of my footage in this video, but I am going to show you the ending of my DIY in the next clips. And I think it came out so, so cute. So let's move on to the ending of the video. So again, everyone, I lost the footage on how I inserted my teal picks and my ornaments and my pine cones and my other picks on my floral arrangement. But here it goes. It's super cute. I super love it. And I'm so, so keeping it. And I've so, so taken my tags off of my items. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. There's a couple more minutes just showcasing how I have it set up right now. I haven't quite finished decorating for Christmas yet. I think I have probably another week and a half or so to go. I need to have it done before Thanksgiving because we're hosting Thanksgiving here this year. So I have all my indoor decorations done. before Thanksgiving and the day after Thanksgiving, we can focus on outside. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.